it's the next day after the video you guys just saw release. It didn't release yet right now, but when you're seeing this, it will be released.
The Grit House one.
So, back-to-back videos, because we're freaking locked in. We're grinding. It's grind season.
What?
We're going to Iron HQ. We're gonna bench again. We just hit 385 yesterday. Today we're gonna rep 315 for 8, from 10, and then we're gonna hit back in triceps. I'm looking freaking majestic right now. It looks like a freaking movie. Like, it looks like a freaking movie when they're just freaking driving down the freaking road. Because that's what I'm doing right now. You know, the sun is setting.
The sun is setting.
The sun is setting. So, we're at this majestic bright guy right now. Now, I don't know how far we are from the gym, but I just double scoop free. So, my pre's gonna have time to kick in. I already feel it. Yeah. But, it's freaking time, man. It's gonna be freaking crazy. You already know.
That's crazy.
I'll see you guys at the freaking gym.
Okay, bro, what the fuck, man?
You should check that out. Maybe you ain't turn around. Maybe it's none of my business. But for now, work it out. Let's get.
Fuck my arms away. There's no way that's not a song, right?
Kumbaya, my lord.
Fuck my arms.
No.
I drank this freaking big pot and now I feel like I got shield. I got 50 shield. So,
Oh, yeah, well, what if I crack you?
oh, it doesn't matter if I get cracked, I'll still be alive. So I feel like I'm invincible right now. It doesn't matter if I get cracked. I want to get cracked. And then I'll have to clutch up. You feel me?
Bro, just stop.
Just
Like, it's not that hard to just shut up.
guys, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna freaking get a freaking sick look.
Et j'ai quelque chose à te demander, c'est que tu me fais la main. Prends-moi la main, prends-moi la main. Et j'ai quelque chose à te demander, c'est que tu me fais la main. Et que ton corps, moi je suis pas ça. Je suis pas des leurs, y'a aucun lien.
Took my clothes off, legs up, I made you mine. Long run, small touch, you were a lie. I was your bitch, no more time. It's a one-girl show and I didn't lie. Turning my eyes are hypnotizing. Look for the one who gets me right and brings me to life. Yeah. Call me prima donna girl, only in a big bad world. Why can't you save me? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? I don't wanna be, but don't wanna
Alright guys, into the workout. That was pretty freaking sick, dude. Like, you guys saw the pre-workout, and honestly, I think the pre-workout matters a lot. Like, the energy before the workout, the type of pre-workout, obviously, just everything. Like, if you go in there with some freaking crazy energy, you're gonna have a freaking crazy workout. Obviously, we're also like freaking, we're leaner, you know. Oh, that looks like shit on camera because it's cold. I lost my pump, but we are leaner. Even though I did have a cheat meal last night because I went out, and I don't usually have cheat meals since like the last huge like crash out you guys saw on this channel. But yeah, I ate about 5,000 calories, and it really it fueled my workout insanely today. Like, I looked more leaner because I was cutting for a little, and then, like, you know, restore my glycogen. So I looked way even leaner and bigger. And honestly, I'm thinking of running like a mini bulk, which you don't hear a lot of, but it's like a mini cut, but a mini bulk, obviously. I kind of like just want to eat, man. And then, yeah. Oh, yeah. So basically, I'm going to be taking peptides, which I want to be transparent to you guys about because, you know, I just want to. But yeah, I'm going to take peptides. Like, the only one I want to take is like retatrutide, because I obviously have a pretty hard time controlling my appetite. So I'm going to be experimenting with retatrutide, which a lot of people say, some people say that peptides are natty, some people say they aren't. I think they're freaking natty, bro. Like, none of them like build muscle and stuff, and they're like natural chains of amino acids, which is already in your body. So they're freaking natty, dude. Like, it's just peptides. So yeah, I think I might run a mini bulk until my Retta gets here, which is literally only in a few days. So like, there's not much benefit from the mini bulk. It's really just to do it. Also, because like, I'm pretty lean now, and like, I'm not gonna get super fat. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys I'm gonna be experimenting. I'm gonna be a little lab rat, and stuff's gonna get crazier. We're gonna get more shredded. We're gonna get the freaking Breathe Divinity code. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've talked about it on my TikTok. I genuinely love Breathe Divinity, bro. I really love the brand, like how it looks. It's like literally my favorite clothes. Like, yeah, there's like Young LA and Gymshark, but those are like, I mean, first, they're kind of oversaturated, and also like, not just, they don't have the same designs, obviously. Like, I really like Breathe Divinity. I don't know, but we're gonna get that freaking code. Almost 10K on TikTok. The Instagram, we're kind of at a stuck point, but we'll get out of it. YouTube, I'm still getting subscribers every day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Road to 1K subscribers, we're halfway there. But yeah, I'm freaking loving making YouTube videos right now. I'm loving making the content. I'm putting out so many videos every day on every platform. I'm just locked in. Yeah, I hope you guys are ready for more content. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and maybe drop a comment. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon, so stay tuned. Peace.